Come on.
Oh, you got some scissors. Don't cut yourself.
Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to mess it up. Can you, Daddy, can you open it for me? I don't want to mess it up. Can you please open it for me?
Daddy, don't cut yourself. Whatever it is. Okay, just give it to her. I don't know what it says, but what is it? What does it say?
Okay. Dear Miss Seal, congratulations. It is an honor to welcome you to the 133rd class of Spelman College.
What?
Yes!
What day is it?
What day is that?
What day is it?
What day is that?
It's hump day. It's Spelman day. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Do the Spelman dance. Do the Spelman dance. Hey, do the Spelman dance. Do the Spelman dance. Do the Spelman dance. Do the Spelman dance.